Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is my first vlog in which I'm going to talk about what is the uses and work of laundry equipment. But before going to start my topic, let's see what laundry means. So basically, laundry is a place where washing and finishing of the clothes and washable item are done. There are two types of laundry, off-premises laundry and on-premises laundry. In off-premises laundry, all the laundering activities are done out of the hotel premises, and this is best suited for those hotel who do not have too much space for laundry and they don't want to make too much investment in laundry. And other one is on premises laundry. In this type of laundry, all the laundering activities are done in hotel premises by itself, and it helps to provide a quality service to the guests. And now I'm going to start my topic in which we will know various types of laundry equipment, their uses and how it works. Like washing machine, extractor, dryer, press, sleeve press, shoesy machine, calendar, etc. And the first equipment is washing machine. Washing machine is laundry equipment. It is used in home as well as hotel. In hotel, tumbler type of washing machine are used with capacity of 7 kg to 200 kg, and wash barrel is made up of stainless steel. The washing machine which capacity is 100 kg or more than 100 kg is divided into three parts. The first one is motor, the second one is inner or outer shell, and the third one is cashing. The outer shell holds the water and the inner shell is basically holds the laundry, and it is perforated so that water from various cycle can flow. Motor is responsible for rotating the inner shell, and due to which the soil from various linen, detergent and other chemical are removed, and in this way washing machine are works. Washer cum extractor or extractor. This is the second equipment which is used to wash the cloth. This machine does the work of extracting the excess water that is holding by the cloth after the washing. The motor is extractor spills the inner shell and the excess water is drained out with the help of that. It can run on steam or electricity and even both. It can drain out from 7 kg to 300 kg laundry. This type of extractor remove the need of the hydro extractor. Washer dryer. When the clothes are washed, it need to dry. Dryers are basically tumbler type of equipment which is used to remove extra water from the damp cloth, which are basically cannot be ironed and which do not require pressing like towel. So dryer is a tumbler type of equipment in which linen is tumbled inside a cylinder, and through the help of the electricity, the heat and the hot air passes. There is a continuous supplier in a dryer which removes the extra moisture from the linen. The linen are washed and dried, they need to be pressed to get a good texture. And the first pressing equipment is a steam press. A steam press used to use steam or heat to press the linen. There are two plates. First plate is known as head and second one is bulk, in which the steam passes. Cloth are set between these two plates. From upper plate steam passes and the lower plate steam passes, and the clothes are pressed like that. The linen sleeve press. So there are basically two types of sleeve press. The first types of sleeve press keeps the top crease, and other one is circular which resulting in no crease. But in the both type of sleeve press, sleeves are put against the back. Then it is moved to sleeve cabinet where the air is filled inside the sleeve and it is pressed against the head. Steam air garments finishes. Suji machine has an open mesh nylon air foam bag which restore the garments such as dresses, jackets, blazers to their normal look with the help of the steam or air. So the time for the heat and the steam is preset, and the help of this switch the steam cycle starts and the steam penetrating Steam softens the fiber of the fabric, and before the steam cycle ends, the blower of the automatically start, and the dress that in the air foam bag it expands and return back to its normal position. In that way, Suzy machine are dry cleaning machine. It is almost similar to the washing machine, because just like washing machine, it is also tumbler, like it is also available in wide range of capacity. And here also washing, drying, extraction and colorization of cloth done. So this dry cleaning equipment, solvent fill and distillation in a closed system, a special type of press called hot head of a set press dry cleaning process. It is used to provide a more versatility through the press, just like dry cleaning of silk item. We have learned about the various washing and pressing laundry equipment. Now let's see what folding machine means. Folding machine does not mean that the machine will fold the linen. It simply means folding machine holds the one part of the linen while worker holds the other part of the linen, and it can make our work easy and less time consuming. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like this video.